Let's dive into the example of the cat tree. I want to see, is this product a good idea to sell on Amazon? And I'm going to go through this entire process in just a few easy steps. I'm going to start my dive. I'm going to fill out the product scorecard, fill out the profits tool, and then do my analysis. So let's get into it. First things first is I come to Amazon.com and I search for my product. In this case, I'm looking for a cat tree. Okay, so the cat tree pulls up and let's validate this product. Now, all I have to do is click on this button, Niche Dive, and DataDive is going to find me the top selling cat trees on Amazon. It's going to do all the work for me. I just got to give it a minute to run. As you can see, DataDive has found all of the best selling cat trees. So I just click this button for dive, wait a few seconds, and my research will be ready to start analyzing. Validating is super easy. Come to Amazon and type in your hero keyword, click on the Niche Dive button and start dive. And a few seconds later, you have all of this. Your master keyword list, which is going to show you all of the different ways the current competitors are making sales from this product. I can do a quick analysis, but what I really want to get into is this product scorecard. It's a list of questions that you answer, and after answering each question, it's going to give you a risk score. So give me 1 minute and I'm going to fill out the product scorecard for this product. Right off the bat, I can see this niche has huge potential. In fact, all of the sellers included in this dive are selling more than $3.5 million every single month on Amazon. But before you get too excited about this product, we have to look here at the level of competition in the niche. And we can see that there's already 13 sellers that we categorize as very strong. These are sophisticated Amazon sellers that are going to be extremely difficult to beat. But to do an even better analysis, we're going to use a feature inside a DataDive called the product scorecard. Now, the product scorecard is a list of questions that you answer on traffic distribution, profitability, potential, and competitiveness. As you answer each question, you're going to get a score. It's either going to be a positive score or a negative score. So I'm going to give you an example here. In terms of number of keyword routes, there's a lot of different ways that people search for this product. You can call it a cat tree, you can call it a cat tower. There's a lot of different configurations, which this is a good thing. It's giving us a positive 250 on the product scorecard. But if we look at the next question here, it's asking us, out of these top two routes, cat tree and cat tower, what percentage of all of the search volume for the niche does this make up? And in this case, the top two routes, cat tree and cat tower, make up more than 90% of all of the searches. So there might be a lot of different ways people search for this product, but the vast majority of searches all come down to those top two routes. So we get a little bit of positive points here, but we lose some negative points down here. Now, I'm not going to spend the time to explain this entire product scorecard, but you can see in the end, it's a little bit of a mixed batch. Some sections I'm getting a positive score, other sections I'm getting a negative score, but my overall score is the one that's most important. For this product, it's giving me a score of a minus 150. Which in the grand scheme of all of the products you're going to validate, this means that this product carries a substantial amount of risk. And we saw this earlier on in the overview tab as well. So right off the bat, even though this niche is making $3.5 million a month with all of these sellers, and there probably is a lot of potential to make money here, it's going to be very risky and it's going to be very competitive. But we want to go one step deeper on our product validation workflow. We want to see what's the estimated budget required to launch. And for this, we have our profits tool also inside a DataDive. So let's take a minute to fill this out. All right, so we've filled out the product scorecard. We had a minus 150, not looking great for this product so far. The next step is filling out the profits tool, and this is going to give us the estimated budget required to launch this product. Now, DataDive will fill out most of this for you. I just click the top right-hand corner on this button for populate. I get a product that's similar to the product I'm planning on selling. And then I enter in a few metrics here, like what's the estimated number of units we plan on selling in a month. And then down here at the bottom, it's telling me that the budget required to launch this product is probably going to be more than $500,000. So if we're thinking about selling this cat tree, yes, there's a lot of people making a lot of money on this product, but the reality is it's going to be extremely expensive to launch, and it's going to be very risky. You're going to be competing against a bunch of sellers that are very well established. So where do you go from here? Does Amazon not make any sense? Should you scrap this whole idea, scrap the whole business model? Absolutely not. We have a course with more than 1,000 students. More than 30% of them sell more than $1 million a year on Amazon. And the way that they're able to be successful is validating dozens and dozens and dozens of products. Most are going to be failures. Most are going to be too risky. Most are not a good idea to launch. But if you can run this product validation process using DataDive, it's going to take you about 15 minutes to run. You're going to be able to filter out all of the bad ideas so that you don't waste time, money, and effort launching products that are too competitive or too expensive. To recap, cat tree, probably a bad idea. Very risky, expensive to sell. But if you keep going through and doing this validation, there's going to be something out there that will be a good opportunity.